Automated weather observation 1454 Zulu. Wind 30 at 7 knots. Visibility more than 10. Temperature 30 Celsius. Dew point 6 Celsius. Altimeter 2,996 inches of mercury. Remarks. Density altitude 2700.
And Benton traffic, Skyline 8897 Tango, taking off runway 34. It will be a departure to the north. Ready, Benton. Airspeed's alive, oil pressure's good.
Attention all aircraft, the time is 0800 local, 1500 Zulu. Redding Tower is now open. Air traffic control and airport traffic control services have resumed. Class Delta airspace now in effect. Information hotels current on the Redding ATIS. Visual approaches in use, landing and departing runway 34. Wind 35011, altimeter 29903. Good morning.
And good morning, Redding Tower, Skyline 8897 Tango. Happy 4th of July.
Skyline 8897 Tango, Redding Tower. Sorry about the delay there, Dr. Zack. I was on the line doing the daily crash phone check. Good morning. Happy 4th, bud.
Yeah, good morning, Paul. How you doing?
Hey, good morning, Dr. Zack. Happy 4th. How are you?
Doing great. Exercising my freedom today, taking the plane over the lake.
Oh, good for you, bud. Glad to hear it. I hope you guys have a great day. This is an overused term, but try to stay cool.
It is pretty warm already. Hey, do you know if either Jet Center or Air Shasta is open today for fuel?
That's a great question. Let me check. I'll see. I'm pretty sure the Jet Center's open, but I don't think Air Shasta is. Hang on, let me check. Hey, Chris, thanks for letting me know. Hey, Skyline 8897 Tango, my buddy Chris down at the Jet Center just came on and says they are open today.
Okay, well, I'm going to go over the lake here for a few minutes, and then I'll come in and get some fuel, 8897 Tango.
Okay, I look forward to it. I'll talk to you soon then. Have a safe flight.
Thank you, sir. Already starting to get the bumps. After 4 minutes after 8 o'clock. Temperature 82 degrees. Have much of a cool down last night. Didn't even get to open the windows of the house. Just warm. Hovering around 80 all night. We're up here in beautiful Northern California, and one of the opportunities we have is a lot of water resources just over here to my west. Got Whiskeytown Lake that's fed by the Trinity Alps over in Trinity County. Here we've got Shasta Lake, bunch of headwaters for the Sacramento. Huge body of water, a lot of fun to fly over. This is one of my favorite flights. I figured take the opportunity to film it a little bit. A lot of mornings I'll come out about 5:30. I think the top of the dam is about 1100. The lake right now is pretty full. Don't see a lot of shoreline. So we're probably looking at about 1050, 1100 or so. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but this is known as the three Shastas. You got Shasta Lake Dam, Shasta Lake, and then Mount Shasta back there at over 14,000 feet. Off to my east, although it's kind of hazy over there, is now Lassen National Park, or Lassen Volcanic National Park. We're pretty privileged up here in the North State for all the beauty that we have. And a part of California that different from the central and southern parts. A lot of my flying in this plane is just loping around up here. I typically pull it back to about 16 or 17 inches of manifold pressure and keep it about 2,300 RPM. The plane seems to like that, still get a 105, 110 knots out of it. But I'm not going anywhere, just having a good time. Now, not much traffic today on the lake. So one speedboat back there, we've got one speedboat over here. Looks like we've got a fishing boat. Not a lot going on the lake yet. They're waving. That's cute. Nice thing about flying over the water, it's generally consistently smooth air, opposed to flying over the ground where you get uneven heating of the different surfaces. At I-5 below us, stretching from Mexico to Canada. Up the way here is the highest point, going over the Siskiyous of I-5, I think it's like 4,200 feet. Well, we checked out the lake. We'll run over to Redding and grab some fuel before it gets even hotter, and then get the plane put away. This was not meant to be an extended flight by any means, just wanted to get out and fly on the 4th. I keep my tradition. Had a very unfortunate situation happen about 15 years ago. My cousin, who was 15 years older than I was at that time, crashed unfortunately and died. Catastrophic failure to the aircraft and unrecoverable. Was flying in L-29 Delphin. It was pretty devastating at the time. I honestly didn't get back in the plane for probably about a year or two. It was a tough pill to swallow. He had taught me to fly, and for me, he carried that invincibility. And so, as a very young pilot, realizing that aviation can bite you if you're not careful, although he was incredibly careful, just an unfortunate circumstance, really put some perspective on me and reminded me how important this is, and got to be aware of all of the circumstances. So every year on the 4th of July, I now try to go fly and celebrate him. Be reminded of what he taught me, and so it's a little bit sentimental for me, but as I said, something I make sure I do every 4th. And Redding Tower, Skylane 8897 Tango, 10 to the north. I'd like to come in and grab some fuel if possible.
Skylane 8897 Tango, Redding Tower, make right traffic, runway 34, report midfield.
Make right traffic, report midfield for 34, 97 Tango. Got asked recently if my hula dancer was my slip indicator. Tested it out the other day. Doesn't work. I guess I'll just have to stick to the ball. Up on TPA, 1,500. We got it pulled back to about 13.5 inches. Should allow me to level off here for just a second, bleed off that airspeed, get this thing into flap range.
Calle 8897 Tango Tower in sight, runway 34, 134011, clear to land.
Clear to land and got hotel 97 Tango. Okay, gas on the mains, the carriage is down and locked, mixture full rich, props off the governor. Go, prop forward. Lights are on, don't need carb heat. This model year has a fully trimming tail, fully trimming horizontal surface back there, so got a lot of trim authority when I'm coming into land. Coming into glide slope, at my 70 knots.
Calle 8897 Tango Tower, Fable turn left on Bravo, taxi to Jet Center via Bravo on this frequency. Have a good day.
Left on Bravo and Bravo to Jet Center, stay on this frequency, 97 Tango.
Redding Tower information, India time 1553 Zulu observation. Wind 01010, gust 17, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000. Temperature 34, dew point 02, altimeter 2994. Visual approach in use, landing and departing runway 34. Advise on initial contact, you have information, India.
And Redding ground, Skyline 8897 Tango's at Jet Center, going to be VFR back over to Benton, got India.
Calle 8897 Tango, Redding ground, good morning sir, runway 34, taxi via Alpha.
34 by Alpha, 97 Tango. And Tower 97 Tango is ready to go at 34, requesting immediate left turnout if possible.
Calle 8897 Tango, Redding Tower, approved as requested. Runway 34, 136012, cleared for takeoff.
34, clear for takeoff, 97 Tango. Speed's alive, oil pressure's good.
Skyline 8897 Tango, there is traffic, beam the numbers of runway 34 on the left downwind at 1,700. Frequency change approved to Benton CTAF. Happy 4th, Dr. Zack.
Happy 4th to you, Paul.
Benton traffic, experimental 630, Romeo Victor 10 to the north over Shasta Dam, descending through 4,500, landing 34, Benton.
And Benton traffic, Skyline 8897 Tango is about 3 miles to the east, going to overfly the field, likely making left downwind 34, Benton. And Benton traffic, Skyline 8897 Tango overhead, midfield, going to make left downwind 34, Benton. And Benton traffic, Skyline 8897 Tango, established left downwind 34, Benton. And Benton traffic, Skyline 8897 Tango, left base 34, Benton. Skylane 8897 Tango. Final 34 Ben.
Benton traffic, 630 Romeo Victor, left downwind 34.
Benton traffic, super slow downwind runway 34 left, Benton.
Yeah, Benton traffic, Skylane 8897 Tango is clear, active taxi to hangars.